Welcome to this tutorial on how to use BMO Esavings, a convenient and secure way to manage your savings online. To get started, you will need to have a BMO savings account and be registered for online banking. First, log in to your BMO online banking account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section where you will see a list of all your accounts, including your eSavings account. To deposit funds into your eSavings account, simply click on the Transfer Funds option and select the account you want to transfer from. Enter the amount you want to transfer and confirm the transaction. Your funds will be instantly transferred to your eSavings account. To withdraw funds, follow the same steps as depositing, but this time select the account you want to transfer to. You can also set up automatic transfers to move money from your checking account to your eSavings account on a regular basis. One of the key benefits of BMO Esavings is the ability to earn high interest rates on your savings. The interest is calculated daily and paid monthly, so you can watch your savings grow over time. Another important feature of eSavings is the ability to set up savings goals. This allows you to create a target for your savings and track your progress over time. You can set up multiple goals, such as saving for a vacation or a down payment on a house. To get the most out of your eSavings account, it is a good idea to set up automatic transfers and take advantage of the high interest rates. You should also regularly review your account activity and adjust your savings goals as needed. In conclusion, BMO Esavings is a convenient and secure way to manage your savings online. By following these steps and taking advantage of the key features, you can make the most of your savings and reach your financial goals. Remember to always keep your account information secure and monitor your account activity regularly to ensure your savings are working for you.